Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today ay quick check yung cycling shorts from InBike. Ayan. First impression, una kong napansin ay yung foam, yung pads. Makapal siya and malambot compared sa mga other brands na ka-variant nito. Compared sa kanila ay so far ito yung mas makapal and malambot hawakan na pads. First impression. And dito seamless siya guys. And parang may anti-slip na rin sa may leg part. And may logo parang reflectorized sa likod. Logo. And kagandahan nito ay may bulsa sa left side. Sa isang cycling shorts ko ay nasa right side yung bulsa and parang see-through. Ito naman ay parang naka-conceal yung bulsa. And by the way, this is also reflectorized. Okay. This one is size Asia XL or Europe size large. Okay, by the way, I am 5'7 and 78 kilograms. So, test fit natin. Okay, so ito na siya guys, Winburn. As you can see, I am 5'7 and 78 kilograms. Bulsa. Reflectorized. Ayan. Okay. Nabili ko sa Shopee for around 1,200 pesos kasama na shipping and vouchers. Anyway, yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe.